Hi everyone, here's a delicious green masala prawn recipe packed with fresh herbs and spices. Let's see how to make this recipe. Here I have 1 kilo of prawns cleaned and deveined. To this I'll add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix well. Marinate prawns for 15 to 20 minutes. To make the green masala paste, to a mixie jar add 3 to 4 green chilies, 12 to 15 garlic pods and 1 inch ginger, half a cup of grated coconut, you can use fresh or frozen. Add a marble sized tamarind and 1 cup of coriander leaves. Add 1/4 cup water. Do not add too much water because we need this masala paste to be thick. Grind this into a smooth but thick paste. As you can see, the paste is thick enough. To a pan, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or any oil of your choice. To this, add curry leaves, keeping the flame on medium. Fry the curry leaves for just about a minute. To this, add 2 medium-sized finely chopped onion, and we need to fry this onion until it gets golden brown in color. It takes around 7 to 8 minutes. Now add marinated prawns. We need to fry the prawns along with the onion so that the flavor of the onion is infused in the prawns. Cook this for 5 minutes, keeping the flame on medium heat. At this stage, prawns will be 50% cooked. Now add green masala paste to this, adding half a cup of water and give it a good mix. Since we have already added salt in the marination, I am only adding half a teaspoon of salt here. Cover and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. We need all the water to be evaporated and prawns to be cooked thoroughly. At this stage, oil will start to separate, and that's when we can add half a teaspoon of garam masala. Cook this mixture for another 5 minutes. And that's it. Your green masala prawns is ready to serve. Serve this with hot rice or chapati. It tastes great either way. Thank you for watching this recipe. Please share this recipe if you like it, and also subscribe for my channel if you haven't already. Thank you.